Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smartcraft. Today I have made a small video on this environment day and look who has joined me to make this video. It's my little daughter Smita. So please watch this video. Thank you. Save nature. If you like this video, please share it, like it and subscribe it. Thanks for watching.